Right, so the next package has just arrived from Temu. So, yeah, I was following the tracking. I knew it was going to turn up in the next couple of hours. Although this is the following morning after I did the previous video. Anyway, let's have a look and see what we got. In here, I think this is, what are they called? The screws for pocket hole. I looked into buying some over here. Yeah, so pocket hole screws. They were so much cheaper buying them from Temu, direct from China. So yeah, can't see there'd be any problem with them. And here we have, get them all out. The long-nosed marker pens. So let's try. Sometimes finding something that will fit in these little marker holes. So let's put it on there. Alright, fellas, put my hands on it. But yeah, these fit lovely. So there you go, line straight down the middle. Now in these I ordered one pack which is red, blue and green, and I do believe I ordered another pack of 3 which were just blue, and it's like £1.50 a pack. Now I went to a builder's merchant around the corner, and they've got the same thing really. They want £8 per pen, so huge saving there. This should be a pencil, again with a long nib, and get this out. Whole pack of bare nibs. Looks like I just square out something. Put it in there. And a nice straight line across there. So yeah, just a pencil for woodwork, but with a very long nib on. So again, that should fit through these, which it does. So yeah, again, ever so cheap, £1 something I think it was. And with these, if you hold in the bottom, you can press the pencil back down inside, so they're protected. This little package, I'm not sure. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, the little nippers. These are brilliant. These, I've got loads of these now, and I use them for all sorts. So again, £1 something, unbelievably cheap. So, and what else? This sanding block. I'd say not anything too exciting, but at the end of the day, these are supposed to be really good. Let's get it out of the packaging. So yeah, with these you can take your round sander pads and they'll fit on there, fold up the sides, and you've got your finger placement. So much nicer than just a square block. So yeah, pleased with that. Again, I can't remember how much that was, a couple of quid, £3, something like that. And oh yeah, there's the other 2 blue pens, long nib pens. Now this should be a plate for the circular saw and the router, which it is. Oh, I'm going to have to put this together, but got all the clips there. Your circular saw, this one, will go the garden. So your circular saw gets fitted on the back there, and you've got like a mini table saw. Yeah, all the necessary clips seem to be here in that package, so pop that on there. You've got like a nice little mini table saw. The same goes for the router. You've got all the holes there to fix your router, so your bit would come up through here, and you've got a small table. And this seems, I don't know what it's made of, but it's ever so strong. Yeah, I don't know. Got nice little rebates in here, obviously, for the screws to go in so that they're flush. Got markings on the side for measurements. Yeah, it looks really good. I have to fit that together and do a video on using it. And I think that was £10. So another good deal. And then this here is an unbelievable price. £17. Reciprocal saw, electric reciprocal saw. It even comes with a pair of gloves. I don't think they give you that much protection, but anyway, there's some gloves. A whole load of blades, wood, metal, all sorts. Yeah, let's get one blade out and try it in there. So, oh, this one's for plastic, wood, plastic. So a variation of blades, but anyway, so this is a plastic blade. Now, with all this stuff from China, you don't get the fancy boxes, all the printed logos and everything else on there. You literally just get the minimum cardboard box and the tool. As I say, this was £17 without a battery, but it takes the Makita batteries, which a lot of these tools from China seem to be using the Makita style battery. So if you've got one tool and a battery, the rest of the tools are really cheap. I mean, these saws are £31, £32. Again, with no battery, come with a blade, and I found this absolutely brilliant, this little saw. So, and now I've got the reciprocal saw. So let's find a battery. It's working. Find a blade. Sure. That fits. Well, that's really easy to fit the blade in. You just twist this. It's like a quick release. Turn it, out it comes. Put it in, lock it off. Done. Well, this is a plastic blade, but I'll try it. So this will work. Right, it's certainly working on that. I'll set this up outside, put a wood blade in, and we'll see just how good it is. But I'm really pleased with that. And how they can do it for £17, delivery included, and what looks like to be about 10 or 12 blades. Unbelievable value. It's just terrific. Yeah, so a dozen blades, saw, gloves for whatever reason, and we even have some instructions. Now that is unusual for one of these Chinese deals. You don't always get the instructions, but we won't knock it for having instructions in there. Also tells you about the lights. There must be lights on here. I know. That's yeah, really pleased with the saw. So, and it all matches. I've got the router, reciprocal saw, and a small circular saw. All take the same batteries, all great value. Cordless router, £30 for cordless router. Again, no battery. Same for the saw, around the £30 mark, and £17 for the reciprocal saw. So yeah, all good. Right, well I'm going to go set the little table saw bracket up and give that a go, and I'll also give this a test, and I'll probably do it in a follow-up video to this one, so this isn't too long. But yeah, honestly, if you're looking for some decent tools at a decent price, Temu, eBay, and I mean this I got on eBay. I didn't get it direct from Temu. It was faster delivery from eBay, because these were apparently in the country. But yeah, so all's good. And if you want to be snobby and say, oh no, I'm not going to buy from China, well, you're going to go into the likes of B&Q and places and pick up tools, and when you look on the label it's going to say made in China anyway. So I'd sooner take the discount and order direct. But anyway, that's just me. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this. Hopefully it's been a bit helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one. Please subscribe if you want to see more tools, and hit the like button would be a great help, and I shall catch you soon on the next one. See ya. Bye.